Are you feeling stressed out, not able to cope up with your studies?
So here are some tips for you to manage your time for your own studies. Hope you find this helpful and let's get right into it.
Be intentional. Keep a to-do list, having a list of tasks that helps keep you organized and intentional about what you must work on. Keeping a to-do list allows you to enjoy one of life's unique pleasures, visualizing on what you must achieve and then striking your way through it. Prioritize your tasks. It guides you through the day's activities in order of importance, ensuring your tasks are done. When ranking your tasks, you should always prioritize what's important to you. Figure out which tasks and activities are high value, which will have the most positive effect on you, your work, and your team. Be focused and don't get distracted. Despite our best intentions, we all get distracted. From social notifications to talkative colleagues and the very human problem of procrastination. Getting things done is always harder than it should be, and given that it takes about 23 minutes to refocus after an interruption, you need to effectively manage your distractions in order to protect your flow and focus. While some distractions are easy to identify, there are numerous that aren't. You should set controls in place so that you can decide when to let notifications in. And for identifying and quantifying distractions, there is an activity tracking app called Timely that can automatically record the time you spend in every tool and website. Be structured. Time block on your work. Having a structured schedule is always crucial for actually delivering what you set for yourself. It helps set a healthy pressure and prevents one's task from overtaking your entire day and stops you from multitasking. Many of us juggle jobs at the same time, believing we will get more done, but in fact, the opposite is true. We are more productive in our organization when we focus on one thing at a time. Time blocking is essentially one of the most productive things and a thoughtful approach to dividing attention across all your work. Set aside small periods of time in your studies and extracurricular activities. You need to create a simple calendar to create a schedule on what you're going to do and what are your plans, and also consider using a calendar app that also tracks what you actually end up achieving so you can optimize future schedules. Be self aware. Track your time. Ultimately, you cannot improve how you use your time without understanding how you actually use it in the first place. Tracking your time provides insight and helps make effective changes in laying out productive patterns.
These are all our tips on how to manage your time. Good luck with this and comment down any suggestions you have or any questions related to time management, and we'll get right back to you. And we hope to see you all next week for our next video. Bye.